This is kids activity box which I have made. This is biscuit jar. This is simple wallpaper. These are stars and these are hearts. Kids will get these hearts and star after their homework. We can use this biscuit jar. Kids will count these dots and all these circular cards will keep on these dots after counting, like that. These are some cards. Student can write blending words, that is k, apple, cap. These are flashcards. There are so many flashcards which I have drawn and simply colored, which make it very attractive for kids. I have made these sound on ice cream sticks. Students get identify all the sounds. These are sample flashcards. That is mat, cat, rat, tap, bat, fish, hen. For some fun, they play with this. Help ducks to reach their house. This is very quite simple. This is maths assignment. I have taken a printout of this. Match the pairs. It is very easy to make and kids will get enjoy.